media. Yes, man.
Shout out to Dane and Shane, you know what I mean? I appreciate the support and big up on yourself, you know. If you want to purchase a shirt and you are overseas, the link in the description. If you are in Jamaica and you would like to purchase a shirt, send me them information here via email and we move from there. So stay till the end of the video. I have something important to talk to you about. Something you know I like. Let's go! We are starting with our Stevie Wonder style. We not see nothing. Sometimes even when you have eyes, you are still not seeing. The baby might not be able to speak, but I am sure he or she was thinking of saying this. Still on the topic of sight, just because you and I don't see it, that does not mean it is not there. But kinda not see nothing still.
Jesus Christ. I'm afraid, you know.
Probably have infrared vision.
I'm afraid.
Whoever or whatever this man in a banger and with, you see, when you know says a heated argument when these words are uttered. Those words signify a temper peak. You know, the threshold for anger has been reached. Anything possible after that? Hey, you might fling some ratty lick, you know.
I'm afraid, you know. I'm afraid, that's ya.
All the poor banana tree get slapped up. I wonder who him a fight. Must be a dopey Aragon man. I man no find out yet. You would think that with a lack of sight, it would cause you to not want to fight.
It's a blind man, you know, have a chop up a man.
But that conclusion, I am afraid, is not right.
It don't work, you know. I'm going to take up the wire now and it's still not working, you know.
People, a blind man with a machete looking. Let me say that again. A blind man looking. Yo, like Safari in a meat meal fight.
Meat meals and
My God. When you see them sitting here, you know must wonder, man.
And a chief and me give me, you know, and none can make none, you know.
How a blind man I can fight somebody whose vision is 100%.
As a blind man, I look for a man chopping up.
I marvel at his confidence, but you, sir, are no daredevil. Wanna get it? Put down the machine. I bet you can try your hand at a musical instrument. Wanna get it? You can't see how that makes sense, even with the other four. Wanna get it? Senses, 5 senses. Fly over on the head, man. Now every man know this. When hard times take you, there's only one name that you as a grown man can call out. And that is Mama, Mama, you know I need you. As Alkaline would say, watch out, the man about like a big sissy girl. This action that he's doing right here kind of reminds me of this video. Side by side, the motions are a complete match. And no, finally, after all these years, you know what that dog was dreaming about. You know, when you get certain opportunities, you have to make the best of it while it lasts. We have a Rasta and a Hatters. The Hatters about some natural wine, and from you said natural, and the Rasta name you call. Rasta go run in. At a party, a man fears 2 things. 1, asking a girl to dance, and she said no. 2, you are dancing behind a girl, and she turn around and see you. And all of a sudden, her ability to recognize numbers is clearer than Ginny Cliff's sight. She give you the stink face, stop dance with you and walk away, because you, my friend, you are not the one. Right, yes sir? The dread get the stink face. She may never want a naughty on our front line. The disappointment. The Rasta face look like he asked them what cook and somebody ball out pork in a dread. If you don't want to get shamed like the nut, you best find an elevated platform and demonstrate your dancing skills. Show the girl them when I want to dance with you, when them a miss out pan. Panadol, 2 Comtrex, ankle broke, hip broke, yes. I will not say anything about this next video. I will just play it. You know this not gonna end well, right? Out of wrestling. To tell them the truth, I'm not even gonna worry about them. My concern is the table. You're there as a good table and mind your business and do table things. And all of a sudden your life change. Well, I'm not even too know what I'm not even want to say nothing about it, but for when me are here still, me saying there when I walk on and you know, see the back I do look at table stuff, and somebody drive go out in and make the next thing you know. One man they on top of him, then one big old woman jump on top of him, and that's all me really. Right now it look like the way how things look still. Me say them probably have to go to him in one chair or something. I don't go carpenter, I go right now, go look at him body still, see what them are do for him. Because me say no look good answer. And a good table, you know, I tell you, man. So I know what's that. When you reach a certain age in life, you have to make a choice. To use or not to use. To use what, you may ask?
What you say you not use? Talk to me now. You not use no?
Me not use no Viagra.
Not use no what?
Viagra.
Viagra?
Viagra.
You mean Viagra?
What you say you not use?
No Viagra.
But that you say, that way I work. Now from what I'm seeing, it look like the man them there want a funeral. And this old header explain why he not use Viagra, aka Viagra. As one of his friends, now deceased, chose to go hard and done. But he never worked out so good for him.
Because I kill serious. I can't done. I want to say one go proper young girl. He kill him.
A moment of silence for all the old heads we lost to Viagra. We never come fast, but still not gone too soon.
Look for me, man. I tell you, you not use. You not use.
Me not use no Viagra.
Come,
Viagra.
yeah, my Lord. Come,
Viagra.
yeah. The old foot they say, oh, we not use no Viagra. And grandpa, he saw a shave. And him not use no razor. I guess somebody told him it was time to shave. Grandpa shave and him now watch no face. Elders them always know that is right still, isn't it? Yeah, man. Elders them always know what is right. Just because it is called a watch, that does not mean you can't use it to shave. Actually, you can't use a watch to shave. And just because it is called a cat, that does not mean it is spelled with a C.
Spell cat. Spell cat now.
Go on home. Yo, go on home. Go on home, man. You know, confidence is an important characteristic to have. And it is responsible for videos like this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 21, 23, 28, 29, 29, 21, 23. 21.9.
21.90. And that is the end of the video. I am going to hell, but not before the persons who recorded and uploaded that video, and not before Uno will laugh at the video. Just remember that I do not make these videos. They are sent to me to react to. So yeah. Alright, this week we want to try something. I want to issue a K2K challenge, you know. And what these challenges do now, each week me tell you something to do. You video yourself, you send in your videos, the whole of we watch it and we laugh and we have fun. It's good content for the channel, kind of bring something new to the channel also, because most of the videos them want to send me, the whole internet know about them video already, but when I send them in because I want to react to them, you understand? But we want to add something new, so something we want to get to look forward to more than I want to look forward to the videos already. So each week me I send out a challenge. The challenge this week is, you know how your parents always call you, say in your room and do something important, them call you if you come around at the living room, if you come take up the remote. I want Uno to have something very close to you. For example, the remote they close to you. When you call your parent, mother, father, whoever it is, girlfriend, whether we around or somewhere else, I do something very important. Want to not bother them, call them like say an urgency. Make them run come to you and ask them pass the item that is close to you and you record them reaction. You can hide the camera if you want, you can put on the camera right there. So when you do your challenge, you email it to me and we're gonna make a compilation. And the next video if you go up on the channel, we're gonna put it in it. Alright? And we'll see how it go from this. So hopefully you can reach a level where we can start give out prizes and we get some fun challenges good. Oh, that's all. That sounds good. And you like that, tear up the like button if you like that. Remember to subscribe, partake in the challenge. We'll also put it in the comment section so you can see it and do it, send it in the videos. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.